There is some leaflet, usually information about the SIM, and it's in Greek, but it's also in English. You have to fill in the user identification, SIM card details, choosing the plan, okay. You can use a prepaid system, you don't need to have a plan or anything like that. Useful numbers, and wow, so much stuff here. Terms and conditions, lots of terms and conditions right here. So I might keep this number and change it to an eSIM to have it next to my main phone number. And I won't share my main phone number, but I might use this one in case someone needs some help with anything. You could call me at this number, which is, what's the number? I like the number, it's a nice number. I picked it, okay? So there's some information there, and then you have the details about the card, CytaMobile, Vodafone. I believe it's the biggest network, the most reliable network in Cyprus, but there is also CableNet. I also have a card from CableNet, and that's the phone number from CableNet. You might have to call me on that one if this one doesn't work. Plus 357 945 69964. Okay. I'm not sure if I will keep any of them. These phone numbers might just not work. So if someone else answers the phone, they might reuse this phone number. So disclaimer there. It might not be me when you call. So please be careful. It's a bit hard to remove. So it's the size, different sizes of the SIM card. There was an old time, the Motorola StarTAC. I remember the whole card would go in the phone. So even this size of the card, the full size, in the old Motorola StarTAC, it would go the whole thing in the phone. That was funny. It was like one of the first mobile phones, Motorola StarTAC. So here I broke one of these to get the smaller one, but it's still not the smallest. You see the nano SIM, which is the current size of the SIM. It's like this. So you have to break it. This is valid for any provider. It's not just this one. You have to break the SIM card to keep only the size. You have to keep only the size like this, without anything around, only this size of the connector like this. And when you insert it, you have to make sure you check this notch, and you should align with the notch you have in the SIM card tray. So I have these two SIM cards. I have these two SIM cards from CableNet and from Cyta, and I will try them. I will check the signal, see how they are, and I'll probably convert one of them to eSIM and put it in my main phone and see how it is. But this is how you get the SIM card, the nano SIM. That's how you remove the nano SIM from the connection pack. And now these ones, they are simply a connection pack. There is no subscription, no anything. And you can keep using them as a pay-as-you-go. That's how I will use them. I don't like to have a subscription like this. But yeah, I hope this helps you get an idea of this SIM card. Get a physical SIM card. You insert it in the phone. I have other videos about changing SIM cards, changing the passcodes, inserting the PUC code, changing the PIN code, lots of things like this. In a future video, I will say which one is better. I already use Cyta, but I wanted to try CableNet to see how it works. Thanks for watching.